It was that. Okay, now this is my favorite. Please try my channel and click the thumbs up button, and please comment below so I can comment you back. Get it? And now we're going to make homemade lava wet. Okay, now we need cool cutting, some water paint, and even this medicine. Okay, and also oil. Doing hot water and a cold water, and even let's first do with the cold water. Done. Then next, done. And then, oops. And then let's put oil. I mean food color. I like purple, so I'm gonna put this one purple, and then this one red. Also my favorite color. Okay. And then mix a little bit more. This one mix a little bit more. And then put oil. That's so hard. Okay. And then put it back here. Okay. Put the oil. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, it's like magic! Done. Now let's see what's happening. Oh my god, it's like oil bin. Get it? Oil bin. Now close. Now let's close the lids. Now I'm gonna pick which one I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put this one here. Let's put this one where we're gonna. Oh, I'm scared. Now I'm gonna put this thingies. And also let me put this one. I'm gonna put down. We just take this one out in the squeezer meter. Now let's put this inside now. Put this one. Now let's see. I can't see anything, too dark. Nothing is still happening. Hi guys, and now we're going to do these. But do you see the bubbles here? Yeah, but you don't see the bubbles here? Now, it changed. So this one has bubbles, doesn't have bubbles. Now goodbye, please do this thumbs up button, and also subscribe our channel, and even comment below so you can, if you comment below, I will